See, hello everyone. Bills of exchange I have explained in the previous video. Okay, introduction of bills of exchange. Here we'll do one sum of bills of exchange. Okay, see in this sum, what is happening? Amar sold goods to Barin for rupees 40,000 on 1st January 2021. Okay, Amar is selling goods to Barin. Okay, Amar is selling goods to Barin. Barin is purchasing the goods. Okay, what is the journal entry for this? Simple. Amar is selling goods to Barin. So what is the entry in the books of Amar? Amar is selling goods to Barin. The entry will be Barin account debit. Barin is receiving the goods to Barin account debit to sales account. And what is the entry in the books of Barin? Barin is purchasing the goods, so purchase account debit, credit purchase account debit. From whom is purchasing? Amar to Amar. Okay. After that, what happens? After that, see, Amar will draw a bill. Okay, Amar will draw a bill and send to Barin, and Barin will accept that bill and send back to Amar. Okay, for drawing a bill, no entry is passed. Okay, for bills acceptance, you have to pass an entry. What is the entry for drawing for bills acceptance? See, second entry, bills resale. Amar is rating the bills from whom? Birin. So bills resale account debit to Barin account 40,000 rupees bill. Barin accepted and sent back to Amar. So what is the entry for that? Bills resale account debit to Barin account 40,000. Okay, and Barin is accepting the bill and sending to Amar. So entry will be what? Amar account debit to bills payable account. In the books of drawing we write bills payable, and in the books of drawer we write bills receivable. Okay, Amar account debit to bills payable account, same amount 40,000. After, what happens in the question, if you see properly in the this question, okay, you can take a screenshot also. In this question, what is mentioned? In this question, mentioned that Aman, after that, Amar is discounting the bill at rupees 10% with the bank. Amar is not waiting for 3 months. He is immediately going to the bank and discounting the bill at the rate of 10%. So what is the entry for discounting a bill with the bank? Entry is bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to bills resale account. Bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to bills resale account. Here you can have a question, from where this 1000 rupees come. Discounting charges amount, how you will take out original amount of the bill into rate whatever is given, like in this sum 10% is given, means 40,000 into 10% into remaining time which is left till maturity date. How much time is left for the bill? 3 months is left ना, bill mature होने में 3 months बाकी है, तो on expired term कितना है? 3 months, means 40,000 into 10% into 3/12. If you do, I think you'll get the answer. 40,000 into 10% into 3/12. If you do, you'll get the answer, that is 1000. Okay, for discounting of bill, no entry will be passed in the books of drawing. Okay, after, what is happening? On the due date, on the maturity bill, okay, bill was returned by the bank as dishonored and paid 25 rupees as noting charges. On maturity, the bill was returned by the bank as dishonored with rupees 250 noting charges. तो bill dishonored हो गया due date पे, and bank is returning the bill. So what is the entry for that dishonor of bill on maturity date? Dishonor bill entry is here, Barin account debit to bank account, Barin account debit to bank account. And why 40250 we wrote? Because 250 rupees noting charges amount also you have to add in the original amount of the bill. So 40250, 250 rupees is noting charges. And what is the entry in the books of drawing? In the books of drawing, entry is bills payable account debit, noting charges separately you have to show, noting charges account debit 250 to Amar 40250. Okay, after that, what happens? After that, in the sum, if you see, it is mentioned that Biren is paying 10,000 and 250 as noting charges in cash, 250 rupees and 10,000 noting charge, 10,000 rupees he is paying in cash. Okay, what Biren is doing, he is paying 10,000 rupees and 250 rupees noting charges in cash to Amar. So Amar is receiving cash from Biren. What is the entry for that? Amar is receiving cash from Biren. The entry, see, Amar is receiving cash from Biren. So cash account debit, cash is being received, so cash account debit 10250. From who is receiving the cash? To Barin, to Barin account. Okay, cash account debit to Barin 10250. Here also, Barin is paying the money to Amar. So what is the entry? Amar is receiving the Amar account debit to cash 10250. After, what is happening? Biren is asking Amar to draw a fresh bill for the remaining amount. How much is the remaining amount? 40,000 was the original amount. From that, 10,000 paid already. So how much amount is left? 30,000 is left. So Biren is asking Amar to draw a fresh bill of 30,000 rupees along with interest. Why interest? Because Biren is delaying the payment. He is taking more 3 months. When he will ask Amar to draw a bill, he is saying that make a bill for 3 months. Means Amar will get the payment आफ्टर 3 मंथ्स. तो पेमेंट 3 मंथ्स के लिए डिले हो जा रहा है, उसके लिए बिरेन रेडी है एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट मीन्स इंटरेस्ट देने के लिए. ठीक है, तो इज आस्किंग अमर टू ड्रॉ ए बिल ऑफ रुपीज 30,000 अलॉन्ग विद द इंटरेस्ट. तो फर्स्ट विल चार्ज इंटरेस्ट. ओके, इंटरेस्ट चार्ज एंट्री हैव टू पास इन ड्रॉअर एंड ड्रॉइज बुक. What is the entry for interest charge? Draw is account debit to interest account. Draw is account debit to interest. Draw is Barin, तो Barin account debit to interest account. How you got this amount 750? 750 कैसे मिल रहा है देखो. अमाउंट कितना है, रिमेनिंग अमाउंट 30,000 है. 30,000 इंटू 10% विच इज मेंशन इन द क्वेश्चन. इंटरेस्ट का रेट है 10%. 30,000 इंटू 10%. कितने समय के लिए पेमेंट डिले हो रहा है, 3 मंथ्स के लिए, मीन्स 3/12. 30,000 इंटू 10% इंटू 3/12. इफ यू डू you'll get the 750 rupees amount. Okay. And in the books of drawing, what are the entries? In the books of drawing, the entry will be interest account debit to Amar account. Interest account debit to Amar account, 750, 750. Okay. Now what is happening? Now Amar is drawing the bill of 30750. 30,000 rupees is the remaining amount and 750 interest amount. 30,750 rupees new bill Amar is drawing and sending to Baran, and Baran is accepting and sending back to Amar. So when Amar is receiving the bill, means getting acceptance from Baran, what is the entry for that? I have said in the beginning, for drawing a bill, no entry is passed. When bill is getting accepted by the drawee and sent back to the drawer, for that there is a entry. What is the entry? Bills receivable account debit to Baran. You are getting a fresh bill accepted by Baran. The bills receivable account debit 30750 is the amount. From whom you are getting the bill? To Baran. The bills receivable account debit to Baran 30750. And in this, what will be the entry for this in the books of drawing? In the books of drawing, entry is Amar account debit to bills payable account. Amar is getting the fresh bill, so Amar account debit to bills payable account. Now again, what is happening? The bill is getting dishonored. Okay, because the person became insolvent, to bill became dishonored. Baran becomes insolvent, मतलब उसके पैसे ही नहीं है. He became insolvent to pay the amount of money. So what is happening? When he is becoming insolvent, again the bill will be dishonored. So when bill is getting dishonored, just you have to pass the reversal entry. ये जो entry ऊपर में पास किया उसका just reverse कर देना है, ठीक है. Baran account debit to bills receivable account 30750. This is the entry for bills dishonored. And here also same thing, ये entry reverse हो जाएगा. Means what is the entry when your bill is getting dishonored due to insolvency? The entry is bills payable account debit to Amar. Okay, just the opposite entry, reversal entry of the bills acceptance given. Okay. Now as he became insolvent, he is not able to pay full money. Okay, full money he is not able to pay. He is able to pay only 50 paise in a rupee. Means 1 rupee if you would get from him, you will be getting only 50 paise. Means 50% of the money you will be getting, and remaining money bad debt. Okay, so what is the entry for that in the books of drawer? See, in the books of drawer, entry will be cash account debit to bad debts account. Cash account debit to bad debt account. You are getting the cash, remaining amount you are not getting to bad debt, and from whom you are getting the cash? To Baran. So 30750, 50% is 15375. 15375 you are getting in the form of cash, and remaining 15375 is your bad debts. Okay, and when we are moving to next one is what? Amar account debit to cash bank to deficiency account. In this case, what they have said, that Amar is receiving the money, so Amar is debit 30750. What is happening? 15375 cash is going away from Baran. Okay, and 15375 they are not able to pay, deficiency. Okay, so that will be in deficiency or PL account, you have to credit it. Okay, so in this sum, what you have seen, in this sum you have seen a drawer is selling the goods to drawee. Okay, after that a bill has been accepted, then drawer discounts the bill with the bank. After that again the bill get dishonored, and when the bill get dishonored, noting charges is paid. Okay, again what is happening, the drawee is giving a part of the money plus interest and noting charges. Okay, a fresh bill of 30,000 was drawn plus interest, but that bill also got dishonored due to insolvency of drawee, and at last we have passed the entry of